Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the Minecraft Bedrock edition. You will get the error incompatible with launcher while trying to play Minecraft Bedrock edition in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. Right click on your start menu and choose the option Task Manager. You will find the option of Minecraft launcher. Right click on it and choose the option End Task. Once it is closed, close your task manager and then go ahead and try to run your Minecraft launcher again. If this doesn't fix out your issue, let's proceed with the second step. Sometimes you do not need a launcher to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Simply click on the start menu and type Minecraft. Here is the application right in front of you. Click on this particular application to run Minecraft directly from the start menu, or you can choose start all apps and here you will find the option of Minecraft. Simply click on this application to directly play Minecraft Bedrock Edition without the launcher. If both method fails, let's proceed with the third step. Click on start menu and type add or remove. Open the application add or remove program. Here you will find the option of Minecraft. You can even search it. Once you find out, click on this three dot icon to completely uninstall the Minecraft from your system. Click on the uninstall button. Once it is uninstalled, click on start menu and open your Microsoft Store. In store, search for the Minecraft Bedrock Edition and there you go. While trying to install this Minecraft Bedrock Edition, you need to make sure that you are logged in with the same account that you have purchased the Minecraft from. If you have a Game Pass or Xbox account, make sure your Xbox or Game Pass account must be same with your Microsoft Store. From here, you can simply install this game and directly play without any issue such as incompatible with launcher. Now if these three methods fails, the last hope we have is to head over to the official website which is of Minecraft itself. From here you need to try two different launchers. First of all is launcher for Windows 10 and 11. Click on it, save it in your system. Second one is scroll down and you will find the launcher for different version. Click on it and save it in your system. Now you have two different launchers, first and this one is second. You need to do hit and trial method to first install this version. If this version doesn't fix out, use this second version to install and play Minecraft launcher Bedrock Edition. This way you will be able to fix out the issue of Minecraft incompatible with launcher. So this is how you can start it to play Minecraft Bedrock Edition without any kind of failure. If this video works out for you and you are new to this channel, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue watching Lotus Geek videos. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.